Hi everyone, I'm Alexander from Smartwave, and in this short video I will show you how to integrate Smartwave platform with some other back office system. For this purpose, on my local machine I create one database back office example with one table client. In this table I have only 5 rows. I have Jack, James, Alex who lives in New York, and Jackie and Jamie who lives in Belgrade. Also I create store procedure get clients. In this moment this store procedure returns all the clients from the database. Also on the platform I create one process with two tasks. One task is get data and another task is show data. Now I will start this process and create the first task. This task will be assigned to me. Okay, I will go to inbox to see the task that is created for me. In this task I have only two properties. One property is a client and another property is the city where the client lives. And if I wrote J, I will have 4 people with which names start with J, and they lives. Jack and James lives in New York, and Jackie and Jamie lives in Belgrade. I can choose one of them and I will see, okay, I can change this. I can go with, I don't know, Jack, and Jack lives in New York. Okay, I will submit this task. And after that I will have another task for me. It's show data, and in the screen show data from the first task. I will submit this also. Now I will change the store procedure, and I will say, okay, return me just people who lives in New York. Go with sorry. Okay, now store procedure just returns 3 rows. Only 2 with J as a first letter of the name, and I will go on the platform and I will say, okay, start from another process. Okay, I will show the list. Now task is generated for me, and if I go now with a J, and in this moment I have only 2 names, Jack and James, who lives in New York. Also I can go with Alex, of course, he lives also in New York. What I need to do with the okay, so this is another task that is generated for me. To integrate Smartwave platform with another back office system, you need to define inquiry. Every inquiry have input-output specification, have his implementation. The type of the method is it get or post. Post we use to retrieve data in back office system. What is the format? Input-output specification is object in which we said what data query which need to retrieve data will expect as an input, and which data will that query will retrieve, and that's it. Input object for this inquiry, and output data which will be retrieved by the implementation. From other side we have something that we call implementation. In this moment we support 4 types of implementation. It's web API, decisions, assemblies, and 4th is SQL query implementation specification. In SQL query implementation specification you need to specify schema of the SQL object, name of the SQL object, type of the SQL object, type of the result. Is it list, is it single line, or there is no result, and you need to specify connection string. When you specify inquiry and implementation, then you go to process. To be more precise in the context of the process, and you need to have a property which will read the data from the back office system. In this example I use property client. Representative type of this property is search, and I just need to specify what inquiry will be used in this particular example, and that's it. After that everything is is practically done, and I just need to use this property on some of the user screens, and that's it, as I use it in the screen of on the screen get data. These a couple simple steps are all we need to integrate our Smartwave platform with some other back office system. Also, as I said, we can go with some assembly or some web API as simple as I show you with SQL query. That's it. Thank you very much. Bye.